Is your garden soil tired or not producing well? Skip the expensive fertilizers. Discover 10 plants that naturally revive soil, no chemicals needed. Soil isn't just dirt, it's a living ecosystem. Sick soil leads to disappointing harvests. Chemical fertilizers are a quick fix but harm beneficial microbes. Instead, heal your soil from the inside out with nature's engineering. We'll explore soil regeneration using 10 incredible plants. These plants break up compacted earth and pull nutrients from deep underground. It's a natural, effective way to rejuvenate your garden. Let's transform your soil into a thriving powerhouse. First up is alfalfa, a nutrient factory for your garden. Its deep roots break up compacted soil, creating channels for air and water. Alfalfa absorbs minerals like calcium and magnesium from deep underground. Use the chop and drop method, let it grow, then cut it for mulch. This releases minerals, enriching your soil. Alfalfa's roots mine minerals and its tops make great mulch. Transform your garden with this natural aerator. Meet clover, a nitrogen-fixing superstar. Clover pulls nitrogen from the air with help from rhizobia bacteria on its roots. These bacteria turn nitrogen gas into plant food. Planting clover creates free 24/7 fertilizer factories in your garden. It transforms poor soil into fertile living earth. Use it as a cover crop or between rows for ongoing soil enrichment. Clover is an easy way to boost soil fertility naturally. Vetch is a fast-growing nitrogen-fixing powerhouse. It forms a dense mat, smothering weeds naturally. Vetch hosts rhizobia bacteria, enriching soil with nitrogen. Its lush growth builds organic matter and improves soil. Use it as mulch or till it in for nutrient release. Vetch quickly boosts soil health and fertility. It's a natural weed barrier and soil builder. Meet the daikon radish, nature's answer to compacted soil. Its huge taproot drills through hard ground, opening channels for air and water. Plant in late summer, let winter frost kill the radish. As roots decay, they leave tunnels filled with organic matter. This biodrilling loosens and enriches your soil. Daikon radish is a natural excavator for your garden. Sunflowers are beautiful and hard-working soil conditioners. Their taproots break up tough soil, improving structure. Sunflowers hyperaccumulate nutrients and even heavy metals. Acting as nutrient elevators, they bring subsoil goodies to the surface. When they decompose, nutrients are released for your crops. Sunflowers enhance soil health and add beauty to your garden. Buckwheat is a fast-growing solution for your soil. It forms a dense canopy, quickly smothering weeds. Buckwheat's roots loosen soil and unlock phosphorus. When cut down, it decomposes rapidly, enriching the soil. It's a quick way to add organic matter and nutrients. Buckwheat is perfect for a fast soil boost. It's a true sprinter in the cover crop world. Mustard greens are a natural pest control. They release compounds that suppress soil pests and diseases. Their taproots break up compacted soil. Plant in early spring or late fall for best results. It's nature's way to clean and enrich soil. Mustard greens help reset your soil naturally. Phacelia is beautiful and beneficial for your garden. Its flowers attract pollinators, boosting crop yields. Phacelia's roots improve soil and prevent erosion. Till it in after flowering to add organic matter. It's a pollinator magnet and soil enhancer. Phacelia brings beauty and benefits to your garden. Borage is a pollinator favorite and a soil booster. Its deep taproot breaks up compacted soil. Borage accumulates minerals like silica and potassium. Use chop and drop to enrich your soil. As a companion plant, borage boosts growth, improves soil, and attracts pollinators. Comfrey is the ultimate soil restorer. Its deep roots mine nutrients from the subsoil. Comfrey leaves are nutrient-rich and versatile. Use them as mulch, compost, or make comfrey tea. It's a nutrient pump for your garden. Comfrey accelerates soil healing and enrichment, the heavyweight champion of soil restoration. These 10 plants are your garden's superheroes. They revive soil, creating a thriving ecosystem. Shift from chemicals to nature. These plants build soil and foster microbes. They feed pollinators and cycle nutrients. Start with clover, daikon, or comfrey. See a remarkable difference. Grow healthy soil for a productive garden. Heal your soil with life. Which plant will you try first?